Hello friends, this is the tutorial of restaurant order booking project. In this tutorial, we will learn how this project works. Let's try to book a table. Enter the detail of in the table booking form. After entering the detail, click on Book Table button. Oops, I think I did not start the XAMPP serve. Make sure you start the XAMPP serve before starting the project. I have already made a video on how you can download and set up this project. Here our table booked successfully. Let's check the booking detail in the admin panel. Log in through the admin page. You will find all the table booking details in the orders section. Let's try to fill the contact form. After filling the contact detail and message, click on Submit button. Here our message sent to the admin successfully. Let's check the message in the admin panel. Here you got the customer messages in the contact section. To download this project, please check the description box. Thanks for watching the video.